He stared into the black abyss, trying to recognize dark shapes and figures in the darkness. Time ticked on. Fred was about to give up when he heard a faint puffing sound on the air. As it grew louder, Fred held firm. He knew no other engine was scheduled to arrive. It could only be one engine. Engine 17. Hello, Engine 17. You've certainly made quite the performance scaring locomotives that run at night. But this petulant behaviour must stop. I want you gone from this railway. You are banished. Never return. Don't you dare think you can scare me. I'm not frightened of you. You got what you wanted. You were arrogant and lazy. Your only accomplishment is that you wanted to wander around the railway aimlessly, and now you've achieved that. What happened to you was your own fault, and I do not pity you for it. You don't have my sympathy. My sympathy goes out to my friends who had to suffer the vile torture you put them through. Leave the railway. You have no place in it. Fred thought back over his words. Though they were harsh but true, Fred began to wonder whether it had been his place to say such things. He hoped his words had meaning, and that Engine 17 had now gone. When he returned to the sheds, Jimmy was awake. "Are you all right, Fred?" he quizzed. "Did you see Engine 17? Has he gone?" "Don't concern yourself, dear Jimmy. Engine 17 won't be coming back any more. He is gone." Fred closed his eyes and went to sleep. Jimmy remained awake. He looked out into the darkness. "I don't think so, Fred."